Hello everyone. If your brightness control isn't working on Windows 11, here are a few simple fixes you can try. Method 1. Update or roll back display drivers. Start by right-clicking the Start button and opening Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. If you see one or more graphics drivers listed, right-click each one and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, try this. Right-click the driver again and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. If available, click Rollback Driver. Sometimes a recent update can cause brightness issues, and rolling back can fix it. Once done, restart your computer and check if the brightness controls are working. Method 2. Adjust or create a power plan. If the issue continues, click the search icon and type Power Plan, then select Choose a Power Plan. You can switch to Balanced or another available plan. Alternatively, click Create a Power Plan, follow the steps, and apply settings that suit your needs. After setting this up, restart your PC again. After trying these methods, your brightness controls should be working properly again,